Portugal. I'm looking for some wood to make a birdhouse. So, yeah, I guess I'm gonna use this old little door, cabinet door. Piece of plywood. Should be possible with this. Let's make a birdhouse. Yeah, I'm going to use only recycled material, so I guess but they can fly on here and then okay. The good thing when you save everything is that you've got a lot of things laying around. We want to make this pretty, so let's put this thing away. That's next week's project. Okay, let's see. A little arch. Yeah, that's nice. Let's put this thing on first. Still hear me? Oh man, it's crazy weather out there. This is all skip found stuff, and yeah, I think I'm gonna bling the birdhouse. Yeah. jij bent het. Dan kom erin. So you are back from holiday. Oh. You cut your hair. Yeah, I did cut my hair. You didn't, obviously. What's that thing? That's an e-smoker. I don't use tobacco anymore. No, it works like a normal cigarette. There's not much going on there. Building a birdhouse again. Yeah, it's not a birdhouse. Well, just something in between, but I wouldn't let that old Brian down by not making one. So, yeah, it's for the birdhouse challenge. Oh, I'm gonna make it into a nightclub. Nightclub. Oh yeah, oh, like these. Oh yeah, disco balls and I found it's all stuff I found in the skip. Wouldn't mind coffee. You see my wife? Is she here? Oh, why don't you? Okay. Oh, why not? Oh, that's a good idea. Well, she's home. You're always in the kitchen, I think. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, I'll go see her. Okay. Yeah, well, fine. Yeah, well, I'll come later. I just okay. Try to finish this and then I'll come in. Yeah, fine. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Okay. Nice seeing you again. Okay, see you later. Took about an hour. A little magnetic hammer, tiny little nails, and these little red, well, and of course glasses. Well, it's a nightclub.